This is Biff, and welcome to Brick Remix. On Brick Remix, I create alternate builds for LEGO models you might already own and provide you with instructions on how to build it. These PDF instructions for this build are linked in the description below. Today we are remixing LEGO set 60002, simply titled Fire Truck. There's not much to say. It's your standard LEGO fire truck. Looks pretty good. But on Brick Remix, I create alternate builds, turning this fire truck into I'm going to call this alternate build the Fire Wagon, and it uses 136 of the 209 pieces included in this set. I tried to stick with the fire theme, but to make kind of almost a police chief car or like quick response vehicle, something along that way, along those lines. And I like the shape of what I came up with here. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Got a back that opens, and a roof that opens. Got places for your second minifigure in there, as well as some places for your tools for your firefighters. Things like a wrench. Also an area to put things in the back there. And the durability is pretty good. I had to make a few compromises in the front, but all in all it's pretty strong. I hope you enjoyed this alternate build, and if you'd like to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, we'll see you again on Brick Remix.